Hello, how are you? I'm good, thanks you. May I ask some question? Yes, sure. Where we can use to speak ability. Can you run fast? Yes, I can. Can you drink tea? Yes, I can. Can you play hockey? No, I can't. Can you study? Yes, I can. Can you drink alcohol? No, I can't. Can you drive a car? Yes, I can. Can you make tea? Yes, I can. Can you cook food? Yes, I can. Can you speak Arabic? No, I can't. Can you play at night? No, I can't. Thank you for your time. You are welcome. Thank you for all visits. If you have any question, ask in comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you again. Thank you.